Welcome back to our channel app tutorial. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can change your download region in Steam. So guys, if you're trying to change your download region but you don't know how to do so, then this video is for you. Let's get right into it. The first step is to just open your app and make sure you're logged in. And after you've logged in, just go ahead and open your settings. So you can just use your command and column button to do settings all at once. And once you're there, just go ahead and find downloads. So it should be right between library and storage. So it's really visible, so it shouldn't be hard to find. And after you tap there, right at the top, you can see download region along with other download settings too. So make sure you look into it too if you have other problems. But for now, just go ahead and tap on this location and change it to whatever that you want. So after you change the location, it'll ask you to restart it. So it's completely your choice. You can restart it and change it to anything that you want. So guys, there you go. That's how you change download region in Steam. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.